Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Several ways to create collections in Lightroom Classic CC. If you want to quickly create a collection from all of the photos in a folder, you can click and drag the folder from the Folders panel to the Collections panel. The collection is created and listed in the Collections panel. The original folder remains within the Folders panel. You can also create a collection from specific photos. To do this, display the grid view within the Library module and select the photos from the grid that you want in the collection. Next, select Library, New Collection from the menu bar. The Create Collection dialog box then appears on screen. Type a name for the collection into the Name text field. In the Location section of the dialog box, you'll see an Inside a Collection Set checkbox option. If this box is checked, your new collection will be nested within an existing collection set that you choose from the adjacent drop-down menu. If the Inside a Collection Set checkbox is unchecked, the new collection is created as an independent collection that is not part of any other collection set. Next, check the Include Selected Photos checkbox in the Options section of the dialog box. Then click the Create button at the bottom of the dialog box. The collection is created and added to the Collections panel. You can also access the Create Collection dialog box from within the Collections panel. To do this, click to select photos for a collection from the grid. Next, click the plus-shaped New Collection button that appears at the right side of the Collection panel header. Select Create Collection from the pop-up menu that appears. The Create Collection dialog box displays once again, and you can continue creating the collection. Once a photo from your catalog has been added to at least one collection, the photo thumbnail will display a Photo is in Collection badge in the grid view and the film strip. The badge appears on the lower right corner of the image.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.